Hello, this is Drugger 2010 Lenny, and I'm here to show you how to create custom resolutions via the Nvidia Control Panel. This will allow you to display your computer monitor with a 2.35:1 CinemaScope screen, allowing you to not only watch your movies in their native scope shape, but also allow you to play video games in this widescreen format, as well as allowing you to use the shrink method, negating the need for using a scaler to crop the image or needing to use like your zoom lens on your projector or an anamorphic lens. The reason I made this video was that I was not satisfied with the previous video that I made, which I admitted I did in a single take. What I hope to do is to streamline the process for both people that prefer the zoom method, the shrink method for those who wish to leave their projector zoom lens, as well as those that use the anamorphic lens. The first part will function in the same way for both zoom and shrink method users. Anamorphic lens users can use the first method, but I want to show those that do not have a scaler to stretch the image for an anamorphic lens. This tutorial will not cover AMD or ATI Catalyst Control Center, but I encourage anyone with an AMD card to create a similar tutorial video, but I believe this should function similarly to the Catalyst Control Center. I will also not cover PowerStrip, considering my experience with that software is hit and miss, really, and it's very volatile software which can actually cause problems with your video drivers. First, we right-click, select Nvidia Control Panel. As this menu pops up, make sure you are at Display, change Resolution, as I've already have. Scroll down to Customize, create Custom Resolution, create Custom Resolution, click this, and here we have the Create Custom Resolution menu. Now here's a key area, timing. If you are using an anamorphic lens, leave this, as it will stretch the image in order to fill the 1080p signal that it's sending out. But if you are using the zoom or shrink method, as most people are going to be using it for, select this to manual. This will keep the timings of the original 1080p image that you're sending out, while scaling the image to fit in as if it were a letterbox image. Next, go to vertical lines. Select the resolution that you wish to output vertically. In this case, for the 235:1 image, we will select 8:16. Now, you should keep the timings at around a multiple of 8, as I've selected 8:16, since this will allow it to have the most reliable signal and timings with the least amount of errors. Now we will test this. Accept, apply changes, back, as we created a custom resolution, make sure this is checked, and you have access to the custom resolution. And now, accept, and you now have a CinemaScope image via your computer screen. The Nvidia drivers that I'm currently using are the 3.14.22. I don't often update my drivers unless if I'm having issues with software that I'm currently using, naming games. Now, I'm not going to be showing you any gameplay footage yet. I will show you how a video looks on the CinemaScope image. Let me pick a quick video. Let's add subtitles. Nice thing about Media Player Classic is that you could adjust the placement of the subtitles. I won't cover that in the video, of course. Now I'm also going to show how a YouTube video in CinemaScope looks like. I'll pop up the Red Tails trailer. I know it's not such a great movie, but it's probably the easiest one I could find to give an example of how it looks in CinemaScope.
Bandits! Hundreds of them! 6 o'clock!
It's got German markings.
Let's get them!
When we came under your command, Colonel, you stated very clearly that we would never find Negroes who could pass a pilot's exam, make it through flight school, survive basic combat. We've done all of that.
I don't believe your boys have scored a single aerial kill.
It's damn hard to shoot down
And I think you get the picture. Now, I hope this video will lead to more answers than questions. I encourage anyone to create a ATI Catalyst Control Center video in response to this Nvidia tutorial. Hopefully I'll be able to show some gameplay footage from in CinemaScope sometime soon, hopefully a bit more better, and I hope to see you next time.